Michael Intravartolo from Solution Systems here, and in today's Manufacturing in the Now episode, I'm talking about the impact of Ukraine's war on manufacturers in the U.S. First and foremost, my heart goes out to all those involved in the war between Ukraine and Russia. It's definitely a sad time when lives are lost, and especially when civilian lives are being lost. I hope this gets resolved sooner than later. Since the year 2000, aka the dot-com era, economies around the world have become more and more globalized each year. This also means that everyone, including manufacturers, are subject to external factors affecting their business. Here are my 3 things that I think will impact manufacturers the most. Number 1, energy prices. Russia is the 3rd largest oil producer in the world, and because of this conflict, energy prices are increasing exponentially, which means that your cost to produce items will also increase. Number 2, supply chain issues. There were already a lot of issues to deal with, but now businesses that rely on Russian and Ukrainian suppliers have much more added challenges. Finally, number 3, critical raw materials. Russia and Ukraine are some of the biggest suppliers of nickel, copper, aluminum, palladium, and neon. This puts a strain on the manufacturing of everything from cars to batteries. And with an already ongoing critical chip shortage, the immediate future looks like it may place a little bit more strain on manufacturers. So that's my top 3 things of all things that are going to impact the U.S. manufacturers during this Russian and Ukraine war. Did I miss something? If it's important, let me know. Put it down there in the comments. Talk to you later.